David Mark, wey be di interim national chairmo of African Democratic Congress (ADC), don complain wella over di wahala wey don dey worry northern Naija for more than 10 years as banditry, terrorism, tension and community fight don scatter villages, pursue millions of pipo comot for dia homes and spoil di economy for di region. As im dey tok for di third expanded meeting of di National Political Consultative Group for Abuja, wey bring togeda ADC members and supporters from all over di country, David Mark point out say di north dey suffer plenty insecurity, poverty, wahala between tribe and religions, political gbasgbos and socio-economic kwata. E still tok say even though northern Naija get plenty natural resources, na dem still be di poorest part of di country. Say plenty pipo no fit go school, no work, bad road and buildings na full everywhere.
Over the last decade, banditry, terrorism, insurgency and communal clashes have turned our villages into battlegrounds, displacing millions and crippling our economy. Despite its vast resources, the North remains the poorest region in the country, with alarming rates of illiteracy, unemployment, and poor infrastructure. Mistrust between and among ethnic groups and religious communities has been exploited by selfish and desperate interests, leading to violent conflict. Instead of uniting for common goals, our elites often prioritize personal and sectional interests over collective progress. The challenges facing northern Nigeria are intricately interconnected. Insecurity scares away investors, which in turn deepens poverty. Poverty fuels desperation and crime. Ethnic divisions weaken our collective resolve to demand good governance. Political fragmentation ensures that no meaningful development takes root in our region. This is not the north that all of us here inherited. But there is a path that could lead to a better future for northern Nigeria. And this path begins with our collective decision to abandon division and embrace unity. We must tone down our inflammable statements and return to that golden era when we used to have genuine and deep respect for each other. After all, not long ago, we treated each other first and foremost as brothers and sisters. When the appellation Northerner captured our collective essence before our ethnic, sectional, and religious affiliations.
Mark come blame the wahala for the north on wetin im call self-inflicted injury. He say na because people no gree unite, politicians don divide them with tribe and religion just for their own gain, and e don make the problem worse. He beg the leaders and people for north make them stop to dey blame others, make them come together, unite and carry the matter for head as one people if dem wan see better change. David Mark draw serious picture on how bad things be for northern Naija, but he also talk say na only ADC get the correct plan to help bring peace, better economy and unity to the north if everybody join hand and work together. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.